Aligning or adjusting our camera to view before rendering, we normally go to the numpad 0 and press it, and then we have this. Or another way is you can just go to view, and then you go to camera, and then you say active camera, and it's the same thing. You get this. But imagine you want to have the camera, the full viewport to be in your camera. One thing you can do is you can either go to view, and then you go to camera again, and then you do frame camera bound. In the same light, if you are a key user, you just have to go to home. So after you've pressed a numpad 0 to get the smaller rectangle, you go press home on your keyboard, and it gives you the same effect. And then you can go on by pressing in, and then you can lock your camera. If you go to view, you can lock your camera to view, and then you can as well adjust as you want if it's okay, and then you can go on and render your image or render animation as you always do. Thank you for watching. If this helped you in any way, help me by subscribing to my channel or giving this video a like. Thank you. Bye.